Welcome to this lesson. Today we are learning to solve linear equation algebraically and check the solution to an equation using substitution. Before solving linear equation, we must understand the terms associated with linear equation. So first of all, we should know what is an equation. Equation is a mathematical statement that contains an equal sign. Next, the expression on the left hand side of the equation sign has the same value as the expression on the right hand side of an equation of an equal sign. For example, if I write the expression like this is a right hand side and this is the left hand side of an equation, and in the middle we have an equal sign. It means both expressions are equal to each other. So solving linear equation means determining a value for the pronumeral that makes the statement true. In this case, the pronumeral is x. Doing the same thing to both sides of an equation, also known as applying the inverse operation. Ensure that the expression on either side of the equals sign remain equal or balanced. Now, we should understand what inverse operations are. For example, if I have an operation plus, if I'm adding, I need to subtract. If I'm subtracting, I need to add. If I am multiplying, I need to divide. If I'm dividing, I need to multiply. So these are the inverse operation of these operations. So let's solve the following equations. I have a question: x plus 7 equal 18. In order to solve this equation, I need to move this 7 to the right hand side because I'm finding the value of x, which is a pronumeral here. So I will do the opposite to the both side. Inverse, in other words, I can say inverse. So inverse of positive 7 would be negative 7. So negative 7 to both sides. So x plus 7, negative 7, 18, negative 7. So x, positive 7, negative 7, 0, x is 11. In order to check my solution, I rewrite my equation and I substitute the value of x, which is 11, and simplify my left hand side. 18 equal 18. If left hand side equal right hand side, it means my answer is correct. Next, I have b minus 5 equal 9. Now this is b. I want to figure out the value of b, and I want to move rest of the numbers to the other side. So I'll move this 5 to the other side. Inverse of negative is positive, so I will do plus 5 to both sides. Negative 5, positive 5 gone, cancel, 0, and b equal 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. If I want to check my answer, I rewrite my equation. I substitute the value. I simplify. 14 minus 5 is 9. 9 equal 9. My answer is correct because left hand side equal right hand side. Here I have a pronumeral here, negative h. In this case, instead of moving this 15 to the right hand side, I can move h. so that it will become positive. Now 15, negative h, positive h, 9 plus h. So negative h, positive h got cancelled. 15 equal 9 plus h. 9 plus h. Next, because I'm finding the value of this h here, I will move 9 to the left hand side and I will do the inverse of positive 9, which is negative 9 to both sides. So I will write 15 negative 9 negative positive 9 negative 9 plus h. This got cancelled. 15 minus negative 9 is 6. So value of h is 6. 6 is our answer. We can substitute in the equation and we can check that our answer is correct, which is 6. You can see these two and substitute by yourself. In this question, 17 equal b plus 11. Because I'm finding the value of b, I'm moving 11 to the other side. It is plus 11. I will do the inverse of plus, which is negative. So I will say plus 11 minus 11, 17 minus 11, which is 6, and b negative and positive 11 got cancelled. So b is 6 or b6. Both are same. I can write like this or this. Next, this is slightly different. 4 times y equal 12. Now, I'm finding y. I need to get rid of this 4. It is multiplying with y. The inverse of multiplication is division. I will divide 4 to both sides. So 4 and 4. Y equals 4 times 3 is 12. This is 3. Next I have 7a equal 35. 7 and a are multiplying. I need to move this 7 from here. It is multiplying with a. When I move it to the other side, I have to divide. So 7a divided by 7, 35 divided by 7. 7 and 7 got cancelled. A equals 5. 7 times 5 is 35. So this is answer. Next we have n over 8 equals 5. Now this is my prenumeral. I want to find this value. I have to move or remove this 8 from here. In order to remove this 8, because it is dividing with n, the inverse of division is multiplication. So I multiply 8 to both sides. This 8 and 8 will cancel and n equals 40. Next, I have x divided by 12 equal 4. Now I want to find the value of x and I will move this 12 to the other side because 12 is in division or dividing with x. When I move 12 to the other side, I need to multiply because the inverse of division is multiplication. So I multiply 12 to both sides. So 4 times 12, this 12 and 12 got cancelled. 4 times 12 is 48. This is the answer.